Weekly analysis. This is Amit from Etrader. Hope you had a great weekend. So we can dive right into the Eurusd forecast analysis. Let's go. Okay, starting with our last week analysis, we analyzed that the Eurusd will go up for 1.18 until this point over here, 1.132. And the last day of trading, it broke this resistance and went up all the way to 1.137. And let's see a little bit bigger. This movement is about 190 pips. Way to go if you did. And from here we're starting to talk about a correction that needs to be made. This broke up because of the Federal Reserve announcement regarding the interest rate. We'll talk about it in a few seconds. Let's see first the dollar index and the euro index for next week forecast. Quick look on the dollar index. Last week it gained power, hit resistance and went down, hit the support and broke it, and that's where we are right now. The dollar is struggling, but it's near a key support that we think it will take it back up and maybe back down again, but over here the key support will definitely make a correction or movement up. So that's for the dollar index. Let's see the euro. And then the euro index. The euro last week gained power, went all the way up. The candle still pointing up, and the resistance we see is very close and will push the euro down. Could be a small correction, could be a bigger one if it breaks the support, but eventually we see a movement down. And that's regarding the euro. Let's see the forecast for the Eurusd next week. Eurusd forecast for next week, because we see the dollar movement down and going to hit a substantial support. That means that we see a correction of the dollar up, and we see the correction of the euro down. Eventually that means the Eurusd will go down. If it will go from this point, could be with that last week high. If it goes from this point, 1.14, also could be. I don't see it go all the way. There's a chance, but I think this is resistance and this resistance are enough. So next week, let's say today and the next days, we will see a correction down. This is the point where I would close the first correction, 1.132, and if it breaks down, this is probably the point where I'll close the second correction, 1.126. Okay, a good selling point, but we have to see in the selling point, we have to see in a 1 hour chart at least 2 to 3 candles in the right color. Let's say a red candle like this one. Let's see it. Okay, the movement should be down, but to be sure of that, we have to see some red candles on the way down through here. So let's be in touch. Go to our Telegram group, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and sell. That's our point for this week. Sell at least from 1.136 until 1.127, about 60 pips. Okay, see you in next week analysis. Bye guys. Make sure to subscribe. Remember to subscribe. Important. Bye bye.